So the next transform tool we're going to look at is the select and place tool, and this can be really useful to place existing objects in our scene into specific areas or places on other objects. So for example, in my scene here I have this box and I have a number of other primitive objects in the scene, but I want to place these objects on various faces of this box. So using this select and place tool is really useful because I can select the tool, come across and click and drag my teapot, and as I drag my teapot towards a face of this box, it jumps around and reorientates itself and aligns itself with that surface. So as I come along to the top of the box, again the teapot realigns itself and places it on top of that surface. So I can release that and leave that in position. I can do the same with this cylinder. I can move the cylinder towards this face of the box, it reorientates itself and it places itself on that face. Similarly with this tube, I can do this. I can move this towards this face of this box here, and again it reorientates itself and places itself on that face of the box. So this place, or the select and place tool, is a really useful tool for moving objects and replacing them and reorientating them onto existing surfaces.